Hello, welcome and namaskar. I'm absolutely thrilled to be here today to talk to you about the Nissan Magnite. Coming your way is the journey of the Nissan Magnite across 4 different organizations and over 13,000 employees, representing Nissan India from the start till today. Our first game changer marshaled this journey from the start. Mr. Sinan Özkok, our president.
At Nissan India, we take our commitment towards the country and customers very seriously. The Nissan Magnite has set new benchmarks and scaled many heights. With a well-defined business strategy focused on customer centricity with our Nissan Next transformation plan, we launched the Nissan Magnite. The Nissan Magnite, in its true element, is a made in India, made for the world vehicle. We would like to thank our discerning Indian customers. We would like to also thank our Nissan family for their constant dedication, skills, and optimistic attitude in delivering a product that is truly big, bold, beautiful, and charismatic.
We have had an exciting journey with the Nissan Magnite, and we are proud to be a part of it. We at NRFSI have big ambitions for the Indian market, and Nissan Magnite is a testimony of this bold attitude, which made this journey beautiful and rewarding for all of us.
The big, bold, beautiful Nissan Magnite has been a game changer in its category. Nissan Magnite has been carefully crafted for the new age audiences and is equipped with the latest technology and features in a 20-grade lineup and over 36 combinations. Nissan Magnite has proven itself a complete package in the subcompact SUV segment.
Launch of a new product, while it is exciting, it's challenging too. COVID amplified the challenges in launching the big, bold, beautiful SUV, the Nissan Magnite. Nissan adopted the phygital approach towards customer connectivity amidst the pandemic. An end-to-end phygital ecosystem that is revolutionary and seamless. 20 plus asset-light showrooms were added towards showcasing Nissan Magnite in the metro cities, in addition to the virtual showroom and virtual test drives for customer convenience and comfort. Warehouses were introduced in East and North India towards faster customer delivery and higher efficiency for the dealerships. Nissan Magnite was a game changer with many firsts and best on value. The breakthrough introductory price of 4.99 lakh was the icing on the cake, making its biggest USP. Towards customer engagement, there were numerous obstacles in running a smooth 20-day program in training. Over 1,000 dealership and service center representatives were to be trained prior to the launch. Nissan India successfully trained 106 Nissan geniuses across the dealership networks at the asset-light showrooms, bringing in 13% of total bookings.
We have produced over 35,000 units of Magnite since its start of production in December 2020. This car is made in India, made for the world. The overwhelming response received from the Indian customers and the global customers exhibits the high global quality standards set for Nissan products produced in R&I sphere. We have been able to add 35,000 happy customers to the Nissan family. Last year was post and unprecedented health and safety challenges due to COVID-19. We have taken all possible measures to strike the best balance of meeting our customer needs and safety of our employees. For Nissan, employee safety first is our motto.
Nissan Magnite has won appreciation and awards across major publications in the country. BBC Top Gear, India's Compact SUV of the Year, Autocar India's Value for Money Car of the Year, Car and Bike India's Best Social Media Campaign, Flywheel Auto Awards Special Jury. The Nissan Magnite was also awarded in the MEO region and globally. Presidential Award by MEO Chairman. Global Nissan President's Award for Magnite launch by the CEO and President Mr. Uchida sir. The best financing solutions program globally for Nissan Finance. The overwhelming customer response on the big, bold, beautiful Nissan Magnite led to addition of the third shift to the production schedule. With hiring of over 1,000 plus employees, a testimony that a success brings in larger.
With one vision, one plan, and one team, we made this launch a roaring success. This is the big turnaround story during COVID times. We are both globally and locally awarded and recognized. It is the beginning of a new era at Nissan India. As we close in on the anniversary celebrations of the Nissan Magnite, we need to gear up and continue to deliver to the expectations of our customers and partners.
Together we are ready
To accelerate
and lead the next.
Stay safe, stay healthy.